Do you understand what the activity does? What the activity does? What the activity does? Yes, 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 yes. We call it the magic coin. The magic coin. The magic coin. Oh, that's crazy. Yes, because when we put the coin into the empty cup, we don't see it. We only see the edge of it. But when we put the water into the cup, it looks like floating and it looks like bigger. And this is the mystery of the magic coin, of the magic coin, of the magic coin, of the magic coin. And we are the incredible, the incredible, the
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. Come on, let's observe. What time is it? Science time. Time for observation. What time is it? Science time. Time for participation. We notice that the first cup, we cannot see the coin. Only the edge of the bottom of the cup was seen. While the second cup, containing coin with water, we can see the coin.